Good morning students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapeeth channel. As you know, this is our second channel. Earlier many videos were uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel of the contents from of class 6 to 12 Social Science, and we are very glad for your good appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance in your term 1 exam. And as you requested, sir, we need some more contents for our term 2 exam so that we can do well. So this channel is made by my team, and we expect that this channel will be also very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam. And many videos of your class 6 to 12 were uploaded, and some more videos are recorded, will be uploaded very soon. And along with you can inform your friends, siblings this educational video, so that will be also very helpful for them. And you can like those videos, share and subscribe this channel. And along with that, Social Science Vidyapeeth channel, you can subscribe Social Science with NKSR channel, because as you know, if you will subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of the newly uploaded videos, because as you know, my team uploads every day many educational videos. And one more thing, every video you should see till the end, because many important informations are said in between the video. If you will skip to see complete video, or if you will skip the important informations, then it will be difficult for you to understand the chapters important points. And along with that, as I tell in every class, you should sit with one notebook and pen, so that you can write important information. Along with that, answer of the MCQ based question which I inform in the chapters video, and so that you can evaluate yourself how much you understand this chapter. Okay. And today my team is ready to record this video for class 10 social science, mineral and energy resources. Okay. And I hope you all are ready. So shall we start now? And your first question of this class 10 mineral and energy resources chapter is, where are minerals usually found? I hope you all and your options are on rocks, on earth crust, on ores and on earth core. So I hope you all must have written the right answer of this question. So the minerals usually found in the ores. Okay, those who have written ores, you can give 1 mark for yourself. And in the end, how much you got from the total question, you should send me in the comment box how much mark you got. Okay. Moving to the next question. When mining is done by family members in the form of a long narrow tunnel, it is known as dash. And your options are narrow tunnel mining, rat hole mining, snake mining, killer mining. So the right answer of this question is rat hole mining. Okay. And moving to the next question. Minerals occur in igneous and metamorphic rocks in dash. The veins and the lodes, layers, alluvial deposits and the decomposed surface rock. And the right answer of this question, mineral occurs in igneous and metamorphic rocks in the veins and the lodes. Okay. Moving to the next question, ferrous minerals account for about dash of the total value of the production of the metallic minerals. And your options are 1/4, 3/4, 1/5 and 1/3. The right answer of this question, ferrous minerals account of the dash of the total value of the production of the metallic minerals. And the right answer of this question is 3/4. Okay. Moving to the next question, which is the basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development? And your options are coal, bauxite, copper, iron ore. The right answer of this question is iron ore. Moving to the next question, which metal has a very high content of iron ore up to 70%? And your options are magnetite ore, that is next one is limonite ore and hematite ore and siderite ore. So the metal has very high content of iron up to 70%, that is magnetite ore. Okay. Moving to the next question, which is the largest producer of the manganese ores in India? Your options are Kudremukh, Bailadila, Odisha and Jharkhand. So the largest producer of manganese ore in India, that is Odisha. Moving to the next question, dash is the basic raw material for the cement industry and essential for smelting iron ore in the blast furnace. And your options are gypsum, limestone, potash salt, sodium salt. And here the basic raw material for the cement industry and essential for smelting in the blast furnace, that is limestone. Okay, so student, the important questions you should mark with the very important, so you can mark this question also very important. Which one of the following is the hardest mineral? And your options are gold, diamond, ruby and silver. The right answer of this question is the hardest mineral is diamond. Moving to the next question, which one of the following is the softest mineral? And your option are talc, toothpaste, salt and cement. Talc is the very softest mineral. Moving to the next question, which one is not a ferrous mineral? Your options are iron ore, manganese, copper and hematite. And the right answer is copper is not a ferrous mineral. Okay. Moving to the next question, which one of the following is not a property of copper? It is malleable, it is ductile, it is a good conductor, it is hard. So the property which is not of copper, that is it is hard. Copper is not hard. Okay. The mineral ore from which aluminum is mainly obtained, that is your options are copper, bauxite, iron ore and none of this. Okay, so the right answer of this mineral ore from which aluminum is mainly obtained, that is bauxite. Okay, aluminum is mainly obtained from the bauxite. Student, this is also very important. Although we have discussed many times these questions, but still you can mark it very important. Moving to the next question, name the finest iron ore. Your options are hematite, magnetite, monazite and lignite. The right answer of this question is the finest iron ore is magnetite. Okay. Moving to the next question, which of the following minerals are obtained from the veins and lodes? And your options are zinc, copper, coal and bauxite. The right answer is the right answer of this question is zinc and copper. Okay, so minerals are obtained from the veins and lodes of the zinc and copper. Correct. So moving to the next question, which one is not a conventional source of energy? And your options are coal, biogas, firewood, petroleum. So the right answer is biogas. Biogas is not a conventional source of energy. Okay. Moving to the next question, the principal lignite reserves are used for dash. So the principal ignite reserves are used for dash. Your options are generation of wind power, generation of electricity, generation of thermal power and none of the above. So the right answer is generation of wind power. So this principal ignite reserves are used for generation of wind power. Moving to the next question, the full form of CNG is dash. Your options are compound natural gas, complex natural gas, compound new gas and compressed natural gas. The right answer of this question is compressed natural gas. The largest solar plant of India is located at dash. So the largest solar plant of India is located at dash and your options are Madhapur, Nagarcoil, Jaisalmer, Madurai. So the right answer of this question is Madhapur. Moving to the next question, which one of the following fuels is considered environment friendly? Your options are coal, petroleum, natural gas, firewood. And the right answer of this question is the fuel which is considered environment friendly, that is natural gas. Okay. So student, as you know, we prepare the MCQ based question from each topic of the chapter, and this question which are prepared from the each topic of the minerals and energy resources chapter of class 10 social science. I hope this will be very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam, and we will meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.